Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Rohit, and today we are diving into a critical aspect of project success, effective communication. If you've ever had a project go off track due to miscommunication, stick around. We're going to unpack how to communicate effectively and keep your projects running smoothly. Let's get started. In this video, first, you will learn the importance of communication. Second, key communication skills for project managers. Third, communication tools and techniques. Fourth, building a communication plan. 1. The importance of communication. First things first, why is communication so crucial in project management? Well, think about this. If team members aren't on the same page, how can you expect your project to stay on track? Effective communication is like the glue that holds your project together. It ensures that everyone understands their roles, responsibilities, and deadlines. Poor communication can lead to misunderstandings, scope creep, missed deadlines, and even conflict within the team. It's like trying to build a house without a blueprint. It's bound to collapse eventually. Oh, that's a significant obstacle to project success. So, what's the solution to this problem? Let me show you. The solution is right here. 2. Key communication skills for project managers. Now, let's talk about some key communication skills that every project manager should master. Active listening. First up is active listening. This isn't just about hearing words, it's about truly understanding the message behind them. To practice active listening, give your full attention to the speaker, avoid interrupting, and provide feedback that shows you're engaged. For example, you might say, "I understand that you're concerned about the timeline. Let's discuss how we can address this." Clear and concise messaging. Next, let's discuss clear and concise messaging. When you communicate, be direct and avoid jargon unless it's necessary. For instance, instead of saying, "We need to optimize the synergy of our core competencies," say, "We need to streamline our processes to work more efficiently." Clear messaging prevents confusion and ensures everyone knows what's expected. Feedback mechanisms. Feedback is another vital skill. Giving and receiving feedback effectively helps improve performance and foster a positive team environment. When giving feedback, be specific and constructive. Instead of saying, "Your report was bad," say, "The report missed several key data points. Let's review them together." And when receiving feedback, listen without getting defensive and ask for clarification if needed. Non-verbal communication. Don't forget non-verbal communication. Your body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice can convey messages just as strongly as words. Maintain eye contact, use open body language, and ensure your tone matches your message. For example, if you're delivering positive news, a warm smile can make your message more impactful. 3. Communication tools and techniques. Now, let's explore some tools and techniques to enhance communication within your project team. Choosing the right communication tools. Choosing the right tools is essential. Depending on your team's needs, you might use email, project management software, or instant messaging apps. Tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Trello can help keep everyone in the loop and streamline communication. Effective meeting strategies. When it comes to meetings, make sure they're productive. Start with a clear agenda, stick to the scheduled time, and encourage participation from everyone. A well-structured meeting can save time and prevent misunderstandings. Documentation and reporting. Documentation is another crucial aspect. Keep records of important communications and decisions. This helps track progress, maintain accountability, and provides a reference if any issues arise later. 4. Building a communication plan. Creating a communication plan can make a huge difference. Here's how to build one for your project. Creating a communication plan. A communication plan outlines who communicates what, when, and how. It should include details like meeting schedules, reporting structures, and communication channels. This ensures everyone knows where to find information and how to share updates. Steps to create a communication plan. Step 1. Identify your stakeholders. Objective. Identify everyone who has an interest in your project. Action. Create a list of all stakeholders, such as team members, clients, management, and external partners. Tip: categorize stakeholders based on their level of involvement and the frequency of communication they require. Step 2. Define your communication objectives. Objective: clarify what you aim to achieve with your communication. Action: set clear goals, such as keeping the team informed, managing client expectations, or ensuring stakeholders are aware of project milestones. Tip: align your communication objectives with the overall project goals. Step 3. Choose communication methods. Objective: determine how information will be shared. Action: select the most effective communication channels, such as email, project management software, meetings, or instant messaging apps. Tip: tailor your communication methods to suit the preferences and needs of your stakeholders. Step 4. Determine communication frequency. Objective: establish how often you will communicate. Action: set a regular schedule for updates, such as daily stand-ups, weekly reports, or monthly meetings. Tip: ensure your communication frequency is appropriate, regular enough to keep everyone informed, but not so frequent that it becomes overwhelming. Step 5. Assign roles and responsibilities. Objective: clarify who is responsible for each aspect of communication. Action: assign specific communication roles, such as who will send updates, manage documentation, or report to stakeholders. Tip: clearly define responsibilities to ensure consistency and prevent miscommunication. Step 6. Create a communication schedule. Objective: plan out the timing of your communications. Action: develop a timeline that includes key communication events like project kickoff meetings, status updates, and project reviews. Tip: align the schedule with major project milestones and deadlines. Step 7. Review and adjust the plan. Objective: ensure the communication plan remains effective throughout the project. Action: regularly review the communication plan and make adjustments as needed based on project changes or feedback from stakeholders. Tip: be flexible and willing to adapt your plan as the project evolves. Step 8. Document the plan. Objective: ensure everyone has access to the communication plan. Action: document all aspects of the communication plan, including stakeholders, objectives, methods, frequency, and roles. Tip: share the documented plan with all stakeholders to ensure transparency and accountability. Step 9. Implement the plan. Objective: put the communication plan into action. Action: begin executing the communication plan according to the schedule and guidelines you've established. Tip: monitor the plan's effectiveness and make any necessary adjustments as you progress through the project. These steps provide a comprehensive guide for creating an effective communication plan, ensuring clear, consistent, and purposeful communication throughout your project. To wrap up, effective communication is essential for project success. Remember to listen actively, communicate clearly, use the right tools, and keep everything documented. By mastering these skills, you'll set your project up for success. Do you have any communication challenges or tips? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights on project management. Next chapter, Stakeholder Engagement and Management. Next time, we'll explore stakeholder engagement and management and how to handle uncertainties in your projects. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.